going to do a hands-on activity to make observations of the special characteristics of angles in a parallelogram. So I have parallelogram PQRS here. And what I've learned so far is that line PQ is equal to line SR, and line PS is equal to line QR. I also learned that opposite angles are equal. So angle P is equal to angle R, and angle S is equal to angle Q. But now I want to think about angles that are within those parallel lines. So I have the parallel line PQ and SR. And I'm going to take these two angles here and I'm going to put them together. I've actually already cut them out to save us a little bit of time. So I'm going to take these and I'm going to line them up together. And as I line them up together, what I notice is that they actually form a straight line. And what we learned about angles that form a straight line is that the two angles together are going to equal 180 degrees. I'm going to see if that's going to also be the case with angle Q and R. So I'm going to take those. I'm also going to put them together, and they do indeed make one straight line. I'm going to put them on their straight line. So now I've realized that the two angles within parallel lines equal 180 degrees. But we also talked about how line PS and line QR are also one parallel. So let's try those. And I do have another pair of cutout angles. So we're going to try SR, and I'm going to put them together and see what we come up with. And indeed, when I put them together, they do form a straight line. And that straight line is 180 degrees. Let's try the angles of P and Q. We're going to put them together. And yes, they also equal one straight. They fit on one straight line, which is 180 degrees. So going through the hands-on activity, what I have realized is that the measures of each pair of angles between two parallel sides of a parallelogram have a sum of 180 degrees. So these two added together are 180 degrees. These two added together are 180 degrees because they are between the two parallel lines, PS and QR. These two are 180 degrees, and these two are 180 degrees because of these two parallel lines, PQ and SR.